Chapter 1. It was a sunny Sunday morning. Anna woke up early. She looked out the window and smiled. The sky was blue and the sun was shining. Today is a good day, she said. She ate breakfast, put on her shoes, and took her small English book. She wanted to go to the park. Anna walked slowly. She looked at the green trees and the colorful flowers. Children were playing, birds were singing. It was peaceful and quiet. Anna sat on a bench near the big tree. She opened her English book. "I want to speak better English," she whispered. "I can learn more words today." As she was reading, she heard a voice. "Hello, are you studying English?" Anna looked up. A young man was standing near her. He had short black hair and a friendly smile. "Yes," Anna said. "I want to speak English better." "That's great," the man said. "My name is Tom. I am also learning English." Anna smiled. "Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Anna." "Nice to meet you too, Anna," Tom replied. Anna moved her bag. "You can sit here," she said. "Thank you," Tom said and sat down. "Do you come here every day?" "No," Anna said. "Only on weekends. I work during the week." "Me too," Tom said. "I work in a shop. I speak a little English with customers." "That is good," Anna said. "I work in a small office, but we speak only my language there, so I want to practice more." Tom pointed to her book. "What are you learning today?" Anna opened the book and showed him a page. "I am learning about talking to people in the park," she laughed. Tom laughed too. "That is funny. Now we are talking in the park." "Yes," Anna said. "We are practicing now." "Let's talk more," Tom said. "Let's use simple English." "Okay," Anna said. "You ask, I answer." Tom asked, "Where are you from, Anna?" "I'm from the city," she said. "And you?" "I'm from a small town, but now I live here." "Do you like the city?" Anna asked. "Yes," Tom said. "There are more jobs and more places to learn English." Anna nodded. "Yes, I go to English class on Monday and Wednesday." "I go on Tuesday and Thursday," Tom said. Anna smiled. "Maybe we can meet here on Sunday to practice." "Yes, that is a good idea," Tom said. Just then an old woman walked past them. She smiled and said, "Hello?" Tom and Anna smiled back and said, "Hello?" Anna said, "See? We are talking English in the park." "Yes," Tom said. "We are learning and smiling." Anna looked happy. "Talking like this helps me feel better." "Me too," Tom said. "It is easier when I speak with a friend." Anna looked at her watch. "I have to go now." "Okay," Tom said. "Let's meet next Sunday." "Yes," Anna said. "At 10 a.m. under this tree." "Perfect," said Tom. "Bye, Anna." "Bye, Tom," Anna said as she walked away feeling happy and proud. She thought, "Today I spoke English with a new friend. I can do it. I can learn more." Chapter 2. On the next Sunday, Anna woke up early again. She remembered her plan. "I will meet Tom today," she said with a smile. She got ready quickly, took her English book, and left for the park. The sun was shining again, and the birds were singing. Anna reached the park at 9:55 a.m. She looked around. The big tree was still there. The bench was empty. She sat down and waited. After a few minutes, she saw Tom walking toward her. He waved and smiled. "Hello, Anna," he said. "Hi, Tom," Anna said. "You came on time." "Yes," Tom said. "I was excited to talk again." Anna opened her bag. "I brought 2 books today," she said. "One for me and one for you." "Thank you, Anna," Tom said. "You are very kind." "You're welcome," Anna said. "Let's learn together." Tom looked at the book. "This is about daily life." "Yes," Anna said. "Today we learn how to talk about our day." "Okay," Tom said. "Let's start with the morning." Anna said, "I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast." Tom said, "Good." "I wake up at 6:30. I drink tea. I take a shower. I go to work." "Where do you work?" Anna asked. "I work at a clothing shop," Tom said. "I help people find clothes." "That sounds nice," Anna said. "Do you speak English at work?" "Sometimes," Tom said. "If tourists come, I say, 'Hello, can I help you?'" Anna smiled. "That's good practice." Tom asked, "What do you do at work?" "I sit at a desk," Anna said. "I write emails. I answer the phone, but all in my language." Tom said, "Then the park is your English place." "Yes," Anna laughed. "The park is my English school." They both laughed. Tom pointed to the flowers. "What color are the flowers?" Anna looked. "They are red, yellow, and purple." "Good," Tom said. "Now you ask me." Anna asked, "What do you see in the park?" Tom said, "I see people walking, a man running, and a boy playing with a ball." "Great sentences," Anna said. Tom smiled. "Thank you. Now let's talk about food." Anna nodded. "Okay, I like rice, chicken, and fruit." "I like pizza and eggs," Tom said. "And I love ice cream." Anna laughed. "Me too. What's your favorite fruit?" "Banana," Tom said. "And you?" "Apple," Anna said. "Green apples are my favorite." They talked for a long time. They used easy English words. They made small sentences. They helped each other. Anna said, "Talking with you helps me." "Talking with you helps me too," Tom said. Anna looked at her watch. "It's almost 11:30. Tom said, "Time goes fast when we talk." "Yes," Anna said. "Do you want to meet next Sunday too?" "Yes, same time, same place," Tom said. Anna said, "Next time, let's talk about hobbies." "Good idea," Tom said. They stood up. "Bye, Tom," Anna said. "Bye, Anna," Tom said. They walked away, both smiling. They felt happy. They were learning English. They were becoming good friends. Chapter 3. Anna woke up early again on Sunday. The sky was blue and the weather was nice. She felt excited because she was going to meet Tom again. They had planned to talk about their hobbies this time. She got ready, picked up her English book, and left her home with a smile. On the way, she thought about what she would say. "I like drawing and listening to music," she whispered to herself. "I hope Tom likes music too." When Anna reached the park, Tom was already sitting on the bench under the big tree. He was reading something on his phone. He looked up and waved when he saw Anna coming. "Good morning, Anna," he said with a big smile. "Good morning, Tom," she replied. She sat down beside him. "I was thinking about hobbies while walking." "Me too," Tom laughed. "Let's start. What is your hobby, Anna?" Anna smiled and said, "I like drawing. I draw flowers, houses, and people. I also listen to music every day." "Nice," said Tom. "What kind of music do you like?" "I like soft music," Anna said. "Music makes me feel calm." Tom nodded. "I understand. I like music too. My hobby is playing the guitar. I play songs at home. Sometimes I sing." Anna was surprised. "Wow, that's great. Do you play for your friends?" "Yes," Tom replied. "Sometimes I play at small parties. My friends clap and sing with me." Anna said, "That sounds fun. Maybe one day you can play for me too." Tom smiled. "Sure. And maybe one day you can show me your drawings." Anna laughed. "Yes, I will bring my sketchbook next time." They continued talking about hobbies. Tom asked, "Do you watch movies?" "Yes," Anna said. "I watch English movies to learn new words." "That's smart," Tom said. "Do you watch with subtitles?" "Yes," Anna replied. "First I watch with subtitles. Then I try without them." "I do the same," said Tom. "My favorite movie is a cartoon. It is easy to understand and fun to watch." They both laughed. Then Anna said, "Sometimes I go for a walk and talk to myself in English." Tom was surprised. "Really? That's a good idea." "Yes," Anna said. "I look at things and say the names, like, this is a tree, that is a bench." Tom said, "I do something similar. I look in the mirror and speak. I say, 'Hello, how are you today?' And I answer back." Anna laughed. "That's funny, but smart." "Yes," Tom said. "We can practice anywhere, not just in class." They both agreed that practicing English in daily life was helpful. Tom said, "We are learning slowly, but we are improving." Anna nodded. "Yes, I feel more confident now." Tom looked at his watch. "It's almost time." Anna said, "Yes, we talked a lot today." Tom asked, "Do you want to meet again next Sunday?" Anna smiled. "Of course. What topic next time?" Tom thought for a second. "Let's talk about travel. Where we want to go." "Perfect," Anna said. "I will think about it during the week." They stood up. Tom said, "I will bring my guitar next time." "And I will bring my drawings," said Anna. "See you next Sunday, Anna," Tom said. "See you, Tom," Anna replied. They waved goodbye. As Anna walked home, she felt happy. Her English was better now. She had a good friend. And she looked forward to another beautiful Sunday in the park.